Hi there, this is Deep. Today I'm gonna share you about the environment of Prime English Academy. Well, let's jump on it. Alright, Prime English Academy is a renowned institution at Hathajari. Prime English Academy has a good environment which plays an important role to develop English skills of students. Prime English Academy has 4 multimedia classrooms and well-decorated office. Every classroom is well-equipped. Every room has a plenty of teaching materials which are very crucial for the students, such as air condition, projector, smart screen, sound system, and so on. Prime English Academy has a qualified teachers team. Their teaching methods are very attractive and gainable. They teach the students in a friendly way. They are very cooperative and supportive. If a student doesn't understand any lesson, the mentors try their level best to make them understandable. Prime English Academy has different kinds of activities such as presentation program, debate program, speech competition, and so on. The teacher not only teach spoken English but also teach well mannered. Every student knows their level to participate in different activities. So, if you wish to have an amenable and favorable environment to enhance your proficiency, you can join at Prime English Academy. I strongly believe that you will be able to get an amazing environment out of your imagination. Alright, see you in the next video. Goodbye.